guys, Ellie here, and today we are going to do how to make a MadLib. So if you guys want to follow along with the video, by the end you can know how to make your very own MadLib. All right, so the first thing you want to do to write a good MadLib is come up with a topic. So I think my topic is going to be on the way to school. And I'm going to turn it just a bit because I'm going to go this way so I have tons of room to write my story. So it is called On the Way to School. The next thing you want to do after you have your subject is write a story. So we're not going to put blanks in it yet, but you do want to make sure you're writing with pencil because we are going to go back and erase words later. So you want to start by just writing your story. So I'm going to start with the first sentence. We want to make about 4 sentences minimum to make a good MadLib story. So I'm going to say, on the way to school, and I'm going to put today. I saw a, and then this is going to get changed later, but for right now, I will say I saw a cat. And then I was so, I'm going to say happy. When I saw it. I pointed, or let's see, maybe we should add another adjective in there just to make it super spicy. So let's say I quickly pointed the, let's say, because we're just choosing an adjective for now, so we'll say fluffy cat out to my friend. And we're just going to pick a name. So my best friend's name is Sam. So I'm going to put Sam in there for now. When my friend saw it, she shouted so loud that the bus driver stopped the bus. All right, so you can make your story as normal or as silly as you want it to be. And the next thing we are going to do is erase some words that we're going to add in later. So this one's actually kind of a short MadLib, but that is totally fine. So we're going to erase some words that will be added back later. So let's see. We're going to erase cat. And cat was our noun there, so we're going to just draw a line. And right under it, write the word noun. Now, my words are really little, but that says noun. And then let's make sure we erase a few adjectives as well. So I'm going to take out happy, put a line, and then for adjective, I'm just going to write ADJ, period, because that's how you abbreviate the word adjective. And then we're going to keep going. Let's erase this one as well. Now that one's actually an adverb because that described the verb we had there, the verb being pointed. Oh, yep, adverb. So an adverb is something like quickly, slowly, lazily. And then let's also erase pointed, because that can be kind of a silly one there, and write verb under it. So verb is going to be any action word. So you could say jumped, you could say leap, anything like that. I love adjectives in MadLib, so I'm actually going to put this one as a blank too. And then this one, this is a little bit trickier. I'm going to write noun 1 under it. And all that means is that whatever noun they put up here, I'm going to go ahead and copy it down here. So if they say dog, dog will go up here and down here. The next thing I'm going to do is erase this name. And that way it gets really customized because the person doing it is going to put their own name in. And for that, I'm just going to write name under it. Then we're going to go over here. Wow, I didn't put an N on my win. There we go. When my friend saw it, she shouted. I'm going to erase that and put verb. So loud that the bus driver stopped the bus. So for stopped, I'm going to erase that for extra silliness, and I'm going to put one more verb. Now that we have a bunch of blanks to fill, and we also know what kind of word we're going to fill them with, all you need is a friend or family member to do your MadLib with you. All right, and I have my friend and family member, Jared, here with me, and he's going to help us fill out this MadLib. So first things first, you don't want your friend to see the MadLib because it makes it way sillier if they have no idea what the story is about. All right, so the first kind of word I need is a noun. All right, so, and now I need an adjective. Can I have an adverb?
Slowly.
And a verb?
Lick. Or licked, depending upon what tense you need.
I need another adjective.
Greasy.
And a name.
Brad.
Verb.
Poke or poked.
And another verb.
Tripped or tripped.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
So my MadLib that I made is on the way to school. And this is the story we made. It says, on the way to school today, I saw a tree. It was so pink when I saw it, or I was so pink when I saw it. I slowly licked the greasy tree out to my friend Brad. When my friend saw it, she poked so loud that the bus driver tripped the bus. Tripped the bus safely. And that is how you make and do a MadLib. I hope you guys make some really good ones and share them with me next time I have a program. Bye.